In this video, I will show you how to back up SharePoint files. Start by opening the SharePoint site that contains the files you want to back up. On the left side of the screen, click on the Documents option to view all the files stored in the site. If you notice that a file is missing, check the Recycle bin by clicking on the Recycle bin option in the navigation pane. If you don't see it here, ask the site admin to give you the access first. The Recycle bin stores deleted files for a limited time, allowing you to restore them if needed. If the file is in the Recycle bin, select it and click on the Restore option. This will return the file to its original location. If the file is not in the Recycle bin, check the second stage Recycle bin, which stores files that have been deleted from the main Recycle bin. To access the second stage Recycle bin, scroll down on the Recycle bin page and click on the second stage Recycle bin option. Select the file you want to restore and click Restore. If you need to restore a previous version of a file, SharePoint's version history feature can help. Click on the three dots next to the file and select Version History. This will display a list of all the versions of the file, along with the date and time they were modified and the person who made the changes. Select the version you want to restore and click Open. This allows you to recover the file as it was at a specific point in time, and this is how you can back up SharePoint files.